Hey, what's up guys? Today in this video I'm going to show you in the next few minutes how this printer K200 works, or in other words I'm going to show you how printing process works on this machine. So enjoy the next few minutes and see how the printer works. So the printing process is done and this is the final product. I have printed a cube for testing purpose, and from what I can see the printing quality is very good. I just need to do just a little more leveling and then the printing quality will be excellent. So overall I can freely say that this machine K200 is great choice in this price range group around $200 if you're looking for new 3D printer. Thanks, bye!